Is your Optus modem stuck on a powering up loop, endlessly restarting without connecting? This issue, where your modem cycles through startup repeatedly, can stem from firmware glitches, power instability, or conflicts with NBN settings. Optus has addressed this with firmware updates, reducing occurrences, especially on newer models like the Smart Modem Gen 2. However, older devices still face this. Before diving deeper, try the quickest fix. Unplug your modem for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This simple soft reset often clears temporary memory issues and resolves the loop. If that doesn't work, stick around as we cover more in-depth solutions. If a soft reset fails, a hard or factory reset is the next step. Locate the reset button or pinhole on your Optus modem, usually on the back or bottom. Use a paper clip to press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. This restores the modem to its default settings, potentially resolving firmware corruption but erasing custom Wi-Fi settings. For persistent issues, explore recovery mode by holding specific buttons like WPS plus reset on Huawei models during boot to force firmware reinstallation. You can download the latest firmware from the Optus website, flashing it via USB or TFTP. Proactive measures can prevent future boot loops. Use a UPS to protect against power surges. Regularly check for firmware updates via the Optus app. By taking these steps, you can minimize the risk of your Optus modem getting stuck in a frustrating boot loop.